Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a beautiful little bottle transporter. It's all stainless steel with some polished aluminum construction on it. You'll see it has independently driven belts. That's a Baldor DC motors operating on variable speed with 120 volt single phase input. You're seeing the widest position it can open for. This is 6 3/4 inches. And of course it'll close down to complete closure. The two motors are synchronized through one speed control. It's a small KB Electronics DC controller. You see our motors pick up to full speed and down to nearly a crawl. Has an emergency stop. It's acting as the control for the entire unit. We have lots of equipment in our stock in processing and packaging both. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.